Hi friends, welcome back to Prashant's Knowledge Center. In this video, we will learn about the variables in C. First of all, let us know what is a variable. A variable is a name of the memory location. It is used to store data. Its value can be changed and it can be reused many times in any program. That is, for a memory location, we are giving a name. That name is called the variable. Variables can store data like numbers, characters, and in C, variables are of different types which are defined with different keywords or data types. For example, here int, float, char, these are the data types. And for let us see the syntax later, and the data types also I'll explain in the later on next classes. Int, it is used to store integer value. That means the whole number without decimal. Either the value can be positive or the value can be negative. In the same way, float is used to store the value with decimal points. That means the floating point numbers. Here also the value can be the negative or it may be positive. Char is used to store a single characters, such as it may be the capital letter or small letter, any type of character, but the character should be written in single quotes. These are some of the basic rules for defining variables. A variable can have alphabets, that means variable name can have alphabets, digits, and underscore. A variable name should be started with an alphabet and underscore only. It cannot start with a digit. No white space is allowed within the variable name. Means two words. For variable name, two words should not be used. A single word. Anything, single word can be used. Variable name should not be used with already predefined words. For example, int, float, char, these are all the predefined words in the C library. These cannot be used for assigning the variable name. For example, we will see how a variable name is created. Here, this is the syntax for the variable name. Type variable name and we have written equal to value. That is, type means what is the type of the variable. Here, we'll use. That means, for example, if we see here, the type of variable is int, means integer type we are assigning a variable. This a is called the variable name, and equal to 5 means we are assigning this variable a with a value 5, that is whole number, so we are using int. In the next example, this variable is assigned with 5.6 means we are using a decimal value, that means we are using float type of data type. And here char means a character we are taking, and in this variable my letter, in this variable name we are assigning a letter a, that is capital where we are assigning. And if we see what are the types of variables, there are many types of variables in C. That is local variable, global variable, static variable, automatic variable, and external variable. Let us see what is a local variable. Local variable means it is declared inside the function. Means within the function we will declare the variable, and that can be used only in that function. For example, if you see the syntax here, in this void main, after opening the parenthesis, this brackets, flower brackets, parenthesis, then we have declared a variable x as the value 10. This is the local variable and this can be used only in this function. And next, global variable. Global variable means that can be declared outside the function. Here we have declared int value equal to 20, means globally we have declared outside the function, whereas this is the local variable, inside the function we have declared. This global variable can be called in number of functions, in all the functions in that program, in all the functions we can call that global variable. Static variable, a variable that is declared with a static keyword is called a static variable, and the syntax for this is this one. Int, within the function I have declared as int x equal to 10. This x is the local variable, and static int, this is the static variable. Next, automatic variable. All the variables in C that are declared inside the function or block are the automatic variables by default. We can declare the automatic variable also by using auto keyword. This is the syntax for automatic variable. Here the first one is for local variable and the second one is automatic variable, auto int. This is the declaration. Next, external variable. We can share a variable in multiple C source files by using an external variable. To declare the external variable, we should use the keyword extern, extern. The syntax of this is, for example, here myfile.h is the header file, which is in the previous class we have learned what are the different header files. Means user defined and predefined header file. This is the user defined header file myfile.h. In this we have declared extern int x equal to 10. This is the external variable, and here in this program1.c I have included this user defined header file myfile.h. So I'll get this global variable. Void print value. Print global variable equal to %d global variable, means this global variable will be printed here, and this %d means here we are giving the integer value only. These are the format specifiers. %d, %f and %c are the format specifiers that we will learn in detail in the next classes. Thank you friends. This is all about the variables and what are the types of variables in C. Please subscribe Prashant's Knowledge Center. Thank you.